everyone, you're watching Factorama and this is my first video on YouTube. So without going much into introduction, let's start today's topic. Now I'm going to explain about what is the new strain of the COVID-19 detected in the UK and what has the country's government done to contain the spread of the virus. British PM Boris Johnson has placed London on the most strictest lockdown since March 2020 to contain the strain of the SARS-CoV-2 that you all know as COVID-19. What has the other countries done to prevent the spread in their country? More than 40 countries in Europe, Asia, South America and the Middle East have closed their borders to travelers from the United Kingdom. As per the reports, the new strain in the virus has accounted for at least 60% of the new COVID-19 cases in London, that is in UK. So the first question that comes to your mind after listening to this is, okay, a new mutation of the virus has come. Will it be more deadly? No, don't worry. As per several scientists and researchers, the new strain of the virus is not more deadly but is 70% more transmissible. That means it can't stay in one body for too long. It spreads 70% faster compared to the previous mutation. So, before they knew this, has there been any country reported the new UK mutated coronavirus? No, we can't say it's UK. It can be generated from everywhere, but it was first found in UK, so I am mentioning it as UK. The countries affected with this new strain of the coronavirus include Netherlands, Denmark, Italy, India, Germany, Singapore, etc. We don't know how many countries have been affected. There may be a country still who have not found whether this coronavirus has attacked that country. So all we can do is wash your hands at regular intervals. You can say 20 minutes. Stay safe, stay at home, wear a mask if you are going outside for any important things such as work. Many work sites have been open now, or grocery. Wherever you go outside, wear a mask so you can prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Thank you for watching the video. Smash the like button. No, don't smash your devices. Smash the like button, the button alone, and consider subscribing if you like my content. Thank you once again.